The key to making great basmati rice is simpler than you think. What I do is rinse the rice a couple times to remove the excess starch and impurities, if there are any, on the rice. And then, here it is. You must soak your basmati rice for 20 minutes. Put it on your phone, time it to be exact. It works like a charm. You then pour off that water, add it to your pot, add, let's say, 1 cup of basmati rice to 1.5 cups of water, a little bit of salt, butter, or your favorite flavor infused oil. Other spices you may add to your rice at this point are like bay leaves, rosemary, cumin seeds, or you could go all the way to make a really lovely calypso style rice pilaf with cranberries, onions, and cinnamon. That's one of my mom's specialty dishes. And then you bring it to a boil, stir it a little bit, put it on low to simmer and let it steam. You turn it off after about 10 minutes and just let it absorb the rest of that goodness. It will plump up really nicely and it will cook in no time. Let me know in the comments below if you know about this trick. Enjoy!